Shocking news has once again shaken the South Korean entertainment industry. After months of speculation about her pregnancy, popular actress Kim Yoo Jung is now rumored to have secretly given birth. This news surfaced from various online forums and fan communities, quickly becoming a hot topic on social media. But is it true that the young actress has officially become a mother? It all started with an anonymous post on the Nate Pan community forum on the night of May 15, 2025. A user claimed to have seen a young artist with a very familiar face leaving a luxury maternity clinic in Gangnam, Seoul, about 2 weeks earlier. She wore a mask and a large hat, but I'm sure it was Kim Yoo Jung. She was accompanied by a man who looked like Park Bogum, wrote the anonymous user. Soon after, a blurry photo appeared showing the silhouette of a young woman pushing a baby stroller while wearing a large hoodie and mask. Netizens immediately speculated that it was Kim Yoo Jung, and the rumors began to spread wildly. This speculation wasn't without basis. Since early 2025, Kim Yoo Jung has been rarely seen in public. She missed several major events she usually attends, including Seoul Fashion Week and the Baeksang Arts Awards. Even her Instagram account became quieter than usual, only featuring promotional posts or reposts from her management team. Moreover, some dedicated fans noticed that in one of her latest commercials released in March, Kim Yoo Jung's face looked slightly fuller and she wore loose clothing. It seemed like she was trying to hide something, said a Twitter X user. Some production staff also mentioned that Kim Yoo Jung canceled her involvement in a major drama this year due to urgent personal health reasons, without further explanation. The name of actor Park Bogum was again linked closely to these rumors. Since their rumored closeness surfaced last year, there have been several unconfirmed reports that the two had secretly married, though no official confirmation has come from either agency. Now, the rumor that Park Bogum is the father of the baby has resurfaced. One source claiming to be a hospital staff member wrote on an online community that the man accompanying Kim Yoo Jung during the delivery looked very much like Park Bogum and was very attentive, like a husband. However, to this day, neither Kim Yoo Jung's agency nor Park Bogum's agency has provided any clarification. They seem to be choosing silence amid the storm of rumors. Public reactions are mixed. Some offer support and feel happy if this news is true. If it's true, congratulations to Kim Yoo Jung. She deserves to live her personal life happily, wrote one fan. But many remain skeptical, considering this just baseless gossip. No clear photos, no confirmation. This is just overly wild fan theory, commented another. When the media reached out to Kim Yoo Jung's agency, the management gave only a brief statement. We cannot comment on our artist's private life. Likewise, Blossom Entertainment, representing Park Bogum, chose not to respond to the rumors. The silence from both parties has only fueled the rumors further. There is now even a theory that the baby was born abroad, in Switzerland, a country Kim Yoo Jung visited at the end of 2024. Until now, there is no concrete evidence that Kim Yoo Jung has given birth. All information is still based on anonymous claims, blurry photos, and assumptions from the actress's behavior. Yet, the silence from all parties acts like fuel, igniting the rumor fire even more. Is it true that Kim Yoo Jung has become a mother? Or is this just an online sensation connecting too many puzzle pieces? One thing is certain. The public will continue to watch the star's every move, waiting to see whether the truth will finally be revealed, or if this rumor will fade away over time like many others before. The news about Kim Yoo Jung allegedly giving birth secretly continues to be a hot topic across various social media platforms and online forums in South Korea. Although there has been no official confirmation, the speculation spread rapidly after a netizen claimed to see a woman very resembling Kim Yoo Jung leaving a luxury maternity hospital in Gangnam. This claim was supported by the appearance of a blurry photo showing a young woman pushing a baby stroller while wearing a hoodie and mask. Netizens immediately linked the figure to Kim Yoo Jung, especially considering her absence from the public eye for several months. Since the beginning of the year, Kim Yoo Jung has rarely attended public events. She was absent from several big events she usually frequents. In addition, her social media posts were minimal and seemed entirely managed by her team. This sparked suspicion that she was hiding something. In one commercial released in March, fans noticed changes in her appearance. Her face appeared fuller and she wore loose clothing, which was seen as suspicious. There was also news that she canceled her participation in a drama due to personal health reasons, which was linked to pregnancy. The name Park Bogum was once again brought up in connection with these rumors. Since rumors about their romantic relationship surfaced last year, there have been multiple whispers of a secret marriage. Now, the speculation that Park Bogum is the father of the child resurfaced. A forum user claiming to be hospital staff claimed that Park Bogum was seen accompanying Kim Yoo Jung during delivery and was very attentive. Though unconfirmed, netizens kept speculating and piecing together various wild theories. The silence from both sides triggered even more speculation. Kim Yoo Jung's agency only gave a brief statement refusing to comment on her personal life. Blossom Entertainment, representing Park Bogum, also chose not to respond. Despite pressure from media and fans, both parties stayed quiet. Public reactions were divided. Some gave support and joy if this were true, but many doubted the rumors and called it baseless gossip. More surprisingly, a new theory emerged suggesting Kim Yoo Jung may have given birth overseas, specifically in Switzerland, where she visited late last year. Some netizens speculated the trip was to avoid media attention. This only added to the confusion and expanded the list of conspiracy theories about her private life. Though no hard evidence exists, the public seems endlessly fascinated by the possibility that the young actress has officially become a mother. Until now, the truth remains a mystery. Has Kim Yoo Jung really given birth secretly? Is Park Bogum involved as her partner? Or is this all just exaggerated online sensation? Without official statements, all possibilities remain open. But one thing is clear, public eyes are firmly fixed on Kim Yoo Jung, waiting to see if she will confirm, deny, or continue to remain silent amid this wild rumor storm. Another factor raising suspicion is the silence of Kim Yoo Jung's close friends when asked by the media. Some celebrity friends who were once active on social media with her have distanced themselves digitally. There are no more comments or likes from close friends such as Choi Soo-bin, Nam Ji-hyun, or senior actress Han Hyo-joo. Korean media has sensed a code of silence among Kim Yoo Jung's inner circle. An industry source who wished to remain anonymous said, "It seems there is an agreement from management and her close friends not to comment. They really want to prevent any leaks." This only adds to the mystery. If there was nothing to hide, why such strict secrecy? Not only Korean media is paying attention to this rumor. Entertainment media from China, Japan, and even Western outlets like All K-pop and Soompi have written speculative articles about the possibility of this secret birth. International fans also discussed the possibility, with several large fanbase accounts from Indonesia, the Philippines, and Thailand creating long threads analyzing hidden clues from Kim Yoo Jung's old posts.